on, guys? Back here with another video. Just had some Nittos installed. Good way just to get out the house for a little bit. Been in the house for a while. So yeah, just test driving the car, man. So guys, I changed the name of the channel. 1320 or roll. You know, and I figured that's what I'm about. Either track or roll racing, you know. Once the build is complete, I'll definitely be doing a lot more of that. But I mean, I do that now anyway. Whenever a chance I get to line up beside somebody. But yeah, you guys let me know what y'all think of the name. 1320 or roll. I got some merch I'm gonna be testing out. Ordered a shirt, so I'm gonna be testing that out and see how it is, see how it looks anyway. Yeah, but I mean, I'm pretty I like the name, you know. It's a little something different. So like I said, you guys leave in the comment section, man. Let me know what y'all think about the name. And, but other than that, man, tomorrow, April the 1st, I will be dropping the car off to get the cam installed, the torque converter, along with deep transmission pan from Camaro. What else? A couple other little odds and ends stuff I gotta do. But yeah, so the car be gone for maybe a week or so. I might continue this video into tomorrow's video, maybe. I don't know, but as of right now, I might just drop this video today, and then tomorrow make a new video of her leaving me for a week. And man, when she gets back, she's gonna be chopping hard. She's gonna be running good. She's gonna be pretty quick. So just letting you guys know. Y'all got to stay in tune with the channel. Hit that like. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel and turn on them post notifications, man. So when I start dropping these videos after this whole virus thing blows over, man, you know, I'm gonna start dropping more content, and you know, I'm gonna keep these videos rolling. But I wanna say something real quick. I wanna take a quick little break in between what I was saying, and I want to make sure everybody out there, man, is staying safe. You know what I'm saying? Taking this stuff serious. You know, you guys making sure you know what I'm saying, y'all really socially distancing yourself from other people and stuff, man. You know, because it's, you know, it's serious for real. People don't really think that it's serious, man, until somebody they know catches it. But yeah, man, I've been staying put in the house, man. I mean, you know, I would rather be out making car videos and content and stuff, man. But the well-being of my life, man, I think that's more important. And yeah, man, take this stuff serious. You know, just chill out for a little bit, and we be back to normal schedule and programming, man. You know what I'm saying? Ain't gonna take that long. I'm in manual mode. That's why I keep dropping the cameras put in sport. So back to what I was saying, guys. Yeah, I want to thank each and every one of you guys for even just viewing the channel. Even if you don't subscribe, guys, I want to thank you for even taking the time to view my content, man. Hey, every little thing helps. So like I said, the channel is growing slowly, but I'm appreciative of what, you know, the amount of subscribers that I have so far. I'm very appreciative for that. And like I said, I want to thank you guys. I want to say everybody that's struggling with the job and stuff, man, with this whole situation, you know, keep your head up. Everything, it'll get better. You know what I'm saying? That's part of life. You know, ups and downs is part of life. But you just gotta stay positive and stay strong, man, and everything will work out. But yeah, so that's enough with that. We're gonna get back into what I was saying about the vehicle. Yeah, man, I got a bunch of stuff coming. I just uploaded my Z01 lid to the community as a YouTube picture post. So yeah, that'll be coming also pretty soon. But after I get my cam installed and all that stuff installed, man, I'm gonna be doing changing my gear ratio to 327. So yeah, man, I can't wait to have that done. Also, man, I'm just excited. You know, it sucks, man. Some of the summer is gonna be gone by the time we get ready to get free. But man, once I'm able to get out and start making more content, man, I'm gonna act like a guy that's been locked up in prison for 20 years, man. Get out, I'm gonna go buck wild with the content. But yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna keep this stuff rolling, man. I'm gonna give you guys a look at the tires, man. I just put on here. Once I get to a stopping point. Once I get to a stopping point, man, I'll show you guys the tires and stuff, man. So maybe later on down the line, I'll give you guys a review on these tires, man. If you guys are interested in buying a set of Nittos. Yeah, but anyway, so it's pretty much all I got to say, man. I don't got a whole lot really going on right now as far as content wise. You know, like I said, we stuck in the house, man. We can't do too much, man. So it's, you know, probably one of the first days I've actually stepped out the house. So besides going to work, but other than that, yeah, I ain't really doing too much, man. But sitting at the house gaming, that's about it. So hey, man, I ain't gonna make this video too long. It's just gonna be some short little video, man, just to put my face out here again, just to show you guys, man, I'm still here, still alive and ticking. But yeah, man, like I said, let me know what you guys think about the name. Feedback is always good, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, I like it either way. But hey, man, I ain't gonna keep you guys, man. I'm gonna wrap this video up. Then I'll probably make another one, and I might release that one in a couple of days or whatever. So like I said, man, y'all guys just, hey, stay on the lookout for more of the videos coming on this channel, and make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. You know, that is a must. You gotta hit that subscribe button, man, in order to know when I'm gonna pump these videos out, and hit that post notification bell. But like I said, man, that's enough, man. I've been ranting enough. I'm gonna drive for a little longer. I got my GoPro up, so it's, you know, it's showing the forward view of me driving, man. So I'm gonna put that in the video alone. Hey, man, that's all I gotta say. Y'all hold it down, man, and keep your heads up, and everything will be alright, man. And hey, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I'm out.